For this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about one of the things that your inspector is going to want to look at during your annual inspection, and that is the boiler nameplate. Boiler's got a maximum pressure rating and a maximum capacity, and one spot we can look at that is on a label on the boiler. But that's also recorded on the shell itself for future reference. It's more of a permanent record of that information. So we want to uncover this so the inspector has access to it as well. For this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about pressure vessel stampings. The stampings on a pressure vessel are important for establishing the origin and credentials of a pressure vessel. These are frequently difficult to read, but we can preserve the indentions by protecting it with a layer of anti-seize or paint.